If you're tired of your inbox getting flooded with ClickUp notification emails, and you just want to finally take control once and for all, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, exactly how to set up your ClickUp notifications so you only get what you want, and how to completely stop those email alerts if you prefer. By the end of this video, you'll be able to customize your notifications and say goodbye to needless email clutter. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to get to your profile settings in ClickUp. Up in the top right corner of your ClickUp workspace, you'll spot your profile icon. If you see your face, initials, or some other avatar there, that's the spot. Go ahead and click it. Sometimes it's easy to overlook the profile area if you're focused on tasks, so take a moment to locate it. Once you click your profile, a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, look for Settings. It might sound basic, but going into Settings is the gateway to all your personal preferences, so whenever you want to adjust how ClickUp behaves just for you, this is where you'll head. Click on Settings, and you'll be taken to a page with several different options. Now, on this Settings page, look for Notifications. This is the section where you have the power to tweak how ClickUp keeps you in the loop. ClickUp offers a lot of notification options, browser pushes, in-app alerts, and of course, those emails that just keep coming. Find and click on Notifications, and you'll see a breakdown of all the different ways you're being notified about updates, tasks, comments, and mentions. If you're specifically hoping to stop receiving all those email notifications because your inbox is becoming a never-ending ClickUp parade, here's how to do it. Look for the Email section on this Notifications panel. You might see a toggle, button, or checkbox labeled something like Enable Email Notifications. To turn off emails, simply disable them by clicking the toggle or unchecking the box. Sometimes it takes a moment for the settings to update, so if you don't see a change right away, give it a few seconds or refresh the page. By disabling this, you're telling ClickUp, stop sending me emails. I'll check notifications right in the app. It's as simple as that. Once you disable email notifications, you can always come back later and turn them back on if you decide you're missing some important updates. Think of this feature as your notification volume knob. You're not deleting anything, just lowering the noise to a peaceful level. This can be especially helpful if you're working in a busy team workspace or you have multiple projects buzzing along at once. And remember, if you ever want to fine-tune things even further, you can choose to get notified only about certain things, comments, assignments, mentions, and more, right here in the same notification settings area. So there you have it. By following these steps, you can customize, manage, and even silence ClickUp notifications, making your workflow a lot calmer and your inbox much cleaner. If you found this tutorial useful, please give this video a like to help others find it. If you have any questions about notifications or you want more tips on ClickUp features, drop a comment below. I do my best to read and reply to everyone. And don't forget to subscribe for more workflow tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.